Introducing the 2023 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, satellite radio, keyless start, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.